Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to withdraw from your account at the Binarium broker using the ERC20 method. As you saw in previous videos, we funded our account using this method, and now we intend to withdraw this balance. To do this, click on this section and go to the withdrawal process from the video wallet section. On the first page, it will be explained to you that if you withdraw this amount, you will lose the bonus that has been credited to your account. If you agree to these terms, click on the I accept option, and in the next step, you can choose your withdrawal method, which in this tutorial, we will be using the Tether method. You will lose the bonus. Choose between Tether TRC20 and Tether ERC20. If you agree to these terms, click on the I accept option, and in the next step, you can choose your withdrawal method, which in this tutorial, we will be using the Tether method. We are in the Tether withdrawal section, where you can choose between Tether TRC20 and ERC20. For ERC20 withdrawals, note 2 key points. The minimum withdrawal is $500, and each account type has a withdrawal limit. At the standard level, the maximum withdrawal amount is... The first point is that the withdrawal limit for ERC20 Tether is a minimum of $500. In each withdrawal request, the maximum amount is $55. So, in order to withdraw through Tether ERC20, which has a minimum withdrawal of $500, we need to upgrade our account to VIP level, which can be done by paying $5,000. Therefore, if we do not intend to upgrade our account to VIP level, we can use an alternative method, which is Tether TRC20 for our withdrawals. As you can see, the minimum withdrawal amount for the Tether method is $50, and it's worth mentioning that for each withdrawal, if we do not have double the deposited amount in trading volume, we are required to pay a 10% fee. We can use an alternative method, which is Tether TRC20 for the withdrawal. As you can see, the minimum withdrawal amount for the Tether method is $50. And it should be noted that for each withdrawal, if we do not have a turnover of twice the deposit amount, we are required to pay a 10% fee. So we use the TRC20 Tether as a replacement method. To withdraw via Tether TRC20, enter the section, select TRC20, input wallet address, and amount. To withdraw $50, ensure $55 balance for $5 fee. Click Withdraw. Request submitted. Processing takes up to 1 business day. For example, when we intend to withdraw $50 from our account, we need to have a free and available balance of $55, as $5 will be deducted for the fee. After entering this amount, we click on the Withdraw option, and as you saw, our withdrawal request has been successfully submitted. And as it is written, this operation usually takes up to 1 business day to process. To view the details of this transaction, you can click on this section to enter the payment history and see the complete details of your withdrawal operation. This operation will usually take up to 1 business day to be paid. To view the details of this transaction, you can click on this section to enter the payment history and see the complete details of your withdrawal operation. And as you can see, after a few minutes, our withdrawal operation is successful. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.